Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today we got 3 packs of Secrets of Eternity, so I'm just going to get started on these. So we have, and one of the Infernoids, Wall of Disruption, Level Lifter, Super Samurais, and the cards, Formal Trump Witch, Unizombie, Despot Free. So we have the Perform Lion, Stellar Capella, Formal Call, Infernoid card, and Runai's Pendulum Dragon Ultra Rare. That's a nice pull. Last pack. Dragon Dowser and Cleefort Monolith Secret Rare. One of the most expensive cards in this set. Absolutely awesome. Wow, that's absolutely awesome. We got, just from 3 random packs, we got 2 hollow cards. I actually thought these were scaled because they were just piled on top of each other, so I thought that would be scaled. But I was actually looking for commons, the common air. So I don't like just buying commons, so I just decided to pick up packs. But I didn't get any of the commons I needed, but I'm pretty sure I'll be able to knock these off and get some of the stuff I need. So that's a pretty awesome rare, actually. Dragon Dowser looks pretty cool. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. I'm out of here. See you later.